Welcome back to another great recipe. Today we are taking a shot at the thyroid shrimp curry. That sounds delicious already. Let's get started. You need about a cup of snow peas. I already washed and chopped the ends off and cut them into two already. You need about a quarter cup, I would say, of green beans. Now these green beans don't look vibrant because they've been in the freezer for a while now, but it will taste as great. You will need a can of coconut milk, 227 grams of shrimps, raw shrimps, deveined, 3 tablespoons of thyroid curry, about a teaspoon of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, Thai fish sauce, but in this case I'm not using Thai fish sauce, so any fish sauce you have available, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of red chili pepper. I'm adding this because I like my food spicy, so you can skip this totally. A clove of minced garlic, 1 juice lime. So what I have in here is about this. I juiced this and this is what I got. On a medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add your clove of minced garlic. Add your curry paste and cook for 2 minutes. Add your shrimps and black pepper. Stir till all the shrimps are coated and cook for about a minute. After 1 minute, add your coconut milk. Wow, look at that. Stir in your fish sauce and lime juice. You can add pepper at this point if you want. Stir and bring this to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add snow peas, then beans. Reduce the heat and cook till the snow peas and beans are tender. After green beans and snow peas have reached desired tenderness, stir in your 3 cups of cilantro. This smells amazing. Cook this for about 30 seconds to a minute and your sauce is ready. Very simple, easy, healthy, and it doesn't take a lot of time. You're welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you give this a shot. Thank you.